Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. As you can see here, it's from Haley Strategic Partners. Nice little package. Stay sharp, be safe message on the bottom. I think I got this in about 3 days. I ordered on a Sunday and I got it by Wednesday. So here's the unboxing. Alright guys, so you see here I have a Frag pouch. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, you can see it right there. Frag grenade pouch. And thankfully, it appears nice. So there is molly webbing. Alright, so that's cool. I don't need any more of those WTF straps. Super awesome. And this is a dump pouch. So the cool part about this dump pouch is that it actually mounts with this piece of Velcro up against the inside of your belt, so there's no molly. I normally prefer molly, but JRTC is coming up, and I don't know when my preferred pouch would be back in stock. My preferred pouch is the T-Rex Arms pouch. I really like it because it's pretty compact, and the new version has a mesh bottom. Now I'm curious on that because mesh, I know under certain situations, or if you gets worn down a lot, it can become structurally weak, so it could break on the bottom. But according to the designer, they said that they did it like that so dirt, dust, debris, or whatever can fall out instead of those normal little rings that they have. But here's the pouch all the way opened up. Yeah, so this is that little ring that I'm referencing to. So this will allow for stuff to drain out. But this is pretty big. This might be good. I usually prefer a cloth material instead of this material just because this makes more noise, but you know, it is what it is. With the time constraint that I have, this is what I can do. And I also asked in the notes for stickers, and they obliged and they gave me some stickers, so super thankful about that. Always love stickers. Anyways, that's basically it. Super excited to test this stuff out. And you can see here there's also the little logo for Haley Strategic. But yeah, awesome to test this gear out at JRTC, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next.